Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are, whatever time of the day. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Welcome back to Elaine's Kitchen. I thought the camera was capturing what I was saying, but I realized it was not capturing what I was doing. So today we are going to cook. We're going to do some sweet and sour chicken. I have already had 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of chicken, 1 teaspoon of Maggi, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, a little black pepper and a little cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning to our chicken. So I have already mixed it around and put it for it to marinate here. So here are the rest of ingredients, which consist of sweet pepper, red and yellow and green, and I have some onion here and I have carrots here. I also have my pineapple right here. I also have my cornstarch, which is a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch right here. I have some vinegar right here, a 1/4 cup of vinegar. I have some pineapple juice right here, which I made my own pineapple, and I have a 1/2 cup of sugar right here, and this is the pineapple for the sweet and sour. And here I have some ketchup. It's not a full 1/2 cup. And here is the batter. I've already started to mix the batter, and the batter consists of 1/2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of paprika, and I had 1/2 cup of cornstarch to it. But the batter is a little bit too thin, so I'm going to add some more flour to it. So I'm whisking it. This batter is okay. And guys, you can use whatever part of the chicken you want. Whether you want to use the dark part of the chicken, you can use the leg or the thigh. You can debone them and use them. Oil is eating, and in here, the seasoning here, I dice up a little garlic and some ginger, because you know it's sweet and sour, we want a little ginger in it. And here is a pot, the oil is eating up. So right here now, I'm going to add my the chicken to the batter, because we're going to get them fry off now. I had a little piece of garlic to my pot, to my oil. As the oil is already hot. And you can serve this sweet and sour with whatever side dish you want to serve it with. Generally, I'll serve it with some fried rice. Right, guys, you can cut your chicken whatever. I cut mine in bite size. Can't cut them too small. Right, this is the color of the chicken. This is the color. Of the chicken, that's the garlic is on it. these in the batter. And you know that chicken breast, the white part of the meat don't take long to cook, because it's boneless. Always remember to take out the bone from the chicken, guys. This is the color of our chicken. Pretty beautiful color, and this color this is the paprika cause it to have this wonderful color. So now, and it tastes so nice. I've tasted it off camera. So now my pot is on the fire. The oil, I put a tablespoon. I had a tablespoon of oil to our pot. So now I'm going to add my vegetables. And I'm going to now stir them. Guys, I'm not adding no salt. And smell the aroma coming from the garlic and the ginger. Wow, veggies are pretty. And the sauce, I'm going to mix my pineapple. I'm not using any water. And this is half a cup of sugar. Not sure if I'm going to use all of it. Guys, when you're mixing, you just taste as you go along. And this is quarter cup of vinegar. I'm going to add a little salt to this. Let me check on the vegetables, see what is happening. Oh guys, and we don't want our vegetables to cook soft. We want it to have that chow. We want it to have that crispiness in it. Wow, it's smelling so wonderful. I'm going to add my pineapple. I'm going to add a little salt to this. So I'm going to taste, I'm mixing and I'm going to taste. I'm going to add also my ketchup right here. I'm going to add my ketchup. This is how I make my, and if I need more ketchup in it, I'll add it. So I'm going to taste if it have that tangy taste from the vinegar and the sugar and the pineapple, those ingredients. Guys, I have to show you in the pot. I have to show you these vegetables. I said the pineapple, oh my God. That aroma is killing me inside here. Wow. So good. So mix this and I'm going to taste. Wow. Wow. I'm just going to add a little more vinegar. You taste that pineapple, the natural. You can buy your pineapple and you can blend it, because that's what I did. I bought the pineapple in the market, peel it, and guys, I might use some of this same water to mix my cornstarch instead of adding fresh water. Wow. Right here, guys. Here's what it looks like. Turn up back my fire. Here is it. Here is it, guys. I'm going to use this same sauce what I mix. I'm going to use it to mix the cornstarch. Ensure that there is no lump left in it. And this is what is going to thicken. This is what is going to thicken our sauce. This is a thickening agent for our sauce. Our pot is now boiling and our veg don't Guys, I taste the vegetable have that chowiness in it, and that's how it's supposed to be eaten. So I'm going to add. If it wants any more, I'll have to probably add it. So guys, this is what it looks like. Look at the sauce. So it will be soon time for us to add our chicken. So guys, I'm going to add our chicken, our lovely chicken over here. I've tasted it. Tastes so nice. So we're going to add it to our pot. Come back here, you bad boy. Where you going? So guys, see it here? Here we have it. Here we're just coating it now in the sauce so it can absorb that sauce there. Let me turn down this fire. Look at it, guys, how beautiful it is. And very colorful. And this is my sweet and sour chicken. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Coating all the sauce. So guys, I'm going to serve you. This is our Sweet and sour chicken from Elaine's kitchen to yours. So we're going to make a plate for you now, guys. I cooked some white rice ahead of time, so I'm going to serve it up with that. I'm going to turn off my fire. Guys, you can serve this either with some fried rice, whatever side dish you choose to serve it with, you can go ahead and do that. Here is the finished dish of our sweet and sour chicken, and you wash this down with some passion, homemade passion. Yes, guys. First, I'm going to dig in to the chicken. Not too sweet. I mean, it's sweet and sour, but you don't want it that extra sweet. It have that kick from the cayenne pepper. Tasting so good. So I'm going to taste some of the pineapple. Wow. Tasting so nice. Guys, you can give this dish a try. Let me have some of the rice. Well done. So I'm going to taste the passion for you now. Wow, so refreshing. Thanks again, guys, for watching. And you do enjoy the rest of the evening or night or day or afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.